So in today's video, it's all about bus travel. On the first part of this video, I'll show you how you can go from Antigua to Guatemala City on the chicken buses. On the second part of the video, I'll show you how you can ride from Guatemala City to Honduras to the border. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the bus station in Guatemala City. This is the local city bus that will help you get around Antigua. The cost is only 3 quintales. This is what it looks like. This bus will take you to the bigger bus station terminal that will take you to Guatemala City. This is what it looks like when you come in on the chicken bus from Guatemala City to Antigua. They'll drop you off over here. But the real station where you want to catch the bus to go back is over there. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. These are what the big chicken buses look like around on this area. Nice little affordable bus that'll get you around the town. Cost you about 3 quintales and per person, and they'll ride you all around this area. So for now, I'm going to go hop on that chicken bus going to Guatemala. And this is their proper bus terminal over here. This is where all the buses are at, going to various parts of Guatemala. The one I'm hopping on today is a chicken bus, and I'm going to Guatemala City. I'll show you over here. Look at this area. So these are the local buses around the area, and this is the Guatemala City chicken buses over here. So this is where you want to hop on. They leave every 5 minutes. They start at 5 a.m. in the morning and go on through into the evening. But right now it's 7:05 local time in the morning here in Antigua. These guys here are very helpful. These guys will let you set you straight. Oh, don't be afraid to ask. They will give you the right information. Here's a little bit of look of the area itself. Look at these nice big chicken buses. They got their name because of, it's a slang term. Look at, they even got the US one on here. Muy bien. So, nice bus here. I'll tell you a little later how they actually came up with the name chicken bus. But everyone, all these drivers kind of trip out, they pimp their own buses in their way that they like. So really nice. Look at how nice it looks here. Really nice. See? This is a look inside. Got the Mother Mary, Jesus there. Very nice. And this is the rest of the bus. These are converted school buses that were once school buses in the US or wherever, and they were donated, they were sold down to his country, and they kind of pimped them out and made them for good use of them. And our journey starts now. So you don't have long to wait until they start getting the bus fired up. About this chicken bus, they'll make stops along the way picking up people. This lady here selling gum along the way, coming in. And there she is, asking for some donations or passing out, selling candy, whatever it is. Right there. And away she goes, and the bus will start back up again. And they have bus boys right here. The bus boy will collect the money as the bus is going. And normally, sometimes in the city buses you can pay when you're leaving, but this one he'll walk up and down. Here he goes, ready to collect money of people that just hopped on the bus. See, collecting the fare after they hop on. Just to give you a little view, this is one of the winding roads that you're going down. This is kind of what you see on the travel. Traffic tends to bog down in certain areas on this trip, and this is one of them. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. Another guy selling stuff on the bus. So, all kinds of vendors coming and going on this bus. View of the city as we start to get closer to Guatemala City now. As you enjoy the view of the city, I'm now going to tell you why these buses are called chicken buses. That is because these buses used to very often carry farm animals around, mainly chickens. So there you have it. While these buses no longer carry chickens, the name still stuck. So the price of this bus to go from Antigua to Guatemala City one way, 20 catales per person. So very, very affordable. 20 catales is a little bit less than $3 to go the whole journey, an hour and a half to Antigua. This is to give you an idea of the traffic here around this area. So this is the Plaza Barrios bus station, metro, that I just came in on. It's easily recognizable with a great big statue here. Anyways, the reason I'm pointing out this station is this is the station that you want to ride if you're going to take the metro to the bus station that I'm going to take to go to Honduras, Copa Ruins. And I'll show you that. It's just up the street, about 4 blocks walking distance away from here. So now I'm going to show you what this bus station looks like here in Guatemala City if you plan on going to Honduras or other parts of the city, the country, or another country. This is the name right here. Let me show you what it's like inside where you get your ticket. The ticket I'm paying for is to go from Guatemala City to the border of Honduras, near Copa Ruins. And this is what the bus station looks like inside. There's the big buses. Look at it. Nice big air-conditioned Mercedes-Benz made buses right here. And I'll be showing you more of that when I get in the bus. But this is what the station looks like. You want to hop in here, buy your ticket, just step right up. I bought mine a couple of days before I traveled. If you have your bags that want to be just like the airport, tightened up. There's where you buy your ticket at, and here's the waiting room right here. Here's the station. And here's the waiting room right here for bus travel. The bus travel should take me about 5-6 hours to get there. And they even have a little cafe place to eat over here while you're waiting. So, nice, clean, air-conditioned bus station. This is an inside look of what this bus looks like going to the Honduras border. Nice big air-conditioned bus, comfortable seats, and look at these big windows. Look at this, great big huge windows here to look out of. The bus route takes you right past some old historic iconic churches in downtown Guatemala City. Right after the historic churches, you'll pass through a little bit of the shopping places along the way of the city, and then it doesn't take long until you're out into the open highway. Every now and then, you'll start to see some little towns pop up along the way. And then you'll travel for what seems like miles with open space with nobody in sight. And then, out of nowhere, when you least expect it, a big McDonald's French fry pops up, which tells you a city is just along the way. A small town, a lot of open space, and then another small town. That trend continues throughout the better part of the 5-hour journey from Guatemala City to the Copa Ruins border. And then you'll see the farmlands of Guatemala City as they make good use of their land to produce their own food. And finally, after traveling for more than 5 hours, you'll come upon the city where the bus stop is at. And this is the bus stop that will drop you off at, but you still have to take a little shuttle to get into to the border. It's quiet, it's a busy town, and they have this little shuttle here that'll take you the rest of the way, I believe. Let me find out more about this. And after the 5-hour journey on the bus, you'll hop in one of these little non-air conditioned shuttles, and they'll take you the rest of the way to the border. There is no extra charge for this shuttle. However, you want to make sure you hold on to your bus ticket so you can show the bus boy there at the terminal your ticket that you were on that bus, and then you can ride this for free to the border. Just like that, that's the border right there. I'd already crossed. They don't allow you to film in that area, but what I want to let you know is you have to pay an exit tax leaving Guatemala, and that's $3 US per person, or you could pay in Guatemala money. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it informative, and that'll more than do it on this bus ride trip from Antigua to Guatemala City to the border of Honduras.